Sorry guys. Okay, so in today's vlog, what I'd like to do is I want to give you some super hardcore facts on how to activate the law of attraction and manifestation, but how to use the other laws of the universe and Mother Nature and your body as a conductor to really get that manifestation and the vibration going for it to happen faster. So, okay, so here we go. All right, let's just start. So what you need to first of all be super aware of is that your body acts as a conductor. The body needs to feel, you need to put your body in a vibration of feeling abundant, feeling security, feeling freedom, feeling love, all of those like great feelings that you'll have. Feeling peace once you get what you want, your body needs to already feel. I'm not even talking about the mind and the ego yet. I am talking about the body. Activate those chakras. Those butterflies in your stomach need to happen. And when you feel those, that's when you know it is on its way. You are not only in the vortex, you are like that fluid in the vortex. It's viscous. That's how I feel it in my mind's eye. It's soaking into your skin, opening up your chakras. How do you get there? All right, here, this is so exciting. I'm super excited to share this because I've used it, so I know it works. Okay, so JC, Jesus Christ, who is one of my guides, I'm not Christian, but I know he talked about the Holy Trinity, and the Holy Trinity is a triangle. So what he actually meant when he was talking about this Holy Trinity, the triangle, was numerology. Numbers are the way that the universe communicates, especially with the planet Earth. Gaia, as above, so below. Gaia, Mother Nature, communicates with the Milky Way, the ether, collective consciousness through numerology and sacred geometry. They all go as one, and I'm going to show you. So the most sacred numbers in numerology are the number 9, the number 3, and the number 6. So when JC formed this triangle, this is sacred geometry. What he meant was that the number 9, which is the highest, and the reason that these are high vibration numbers are because they're quantum numbers. So what that means is that the 9, you know what, that's going to be a different vlog. Yeah, that's going to be a different, okay, hold on, let me reset. That's going to be too much information and I don't have a lot of time. Okay, this is moon water, by the way. We'll talk about that too. Okay, so here we go. So let's just talk about this triangle. So the number 9 is the highest vibration, represents your soul. The number 3 represents your body, and the number 6 represents your mind. Now, why would the number 3 and the number 6 represent your mind and your body at the bottom here? The reason is because this line here, 2, 3, and 6, equals your duality. So whatever it is that you want, that your soul is trying to get you through. So let's say that you want contentment, you want peace. So if your soul is looking for contentment and peace, then you have to go through disparity, and you also have to go through happiness. So you have to experience, as a human being, we're the conductor, remember? This is why we're here, for experiences. So in order to get to peace, you'll have to experience both extreme happiness and recognize it, and then you'll also experience extreme pain. And what it is our job to do is to come to balance of this duality, to be okay with the pain, the suffering, the loss, and understand it as a vibration and come to balance with it. And it's also our job to understand the happiness, like what makes us happy? What are our habits? So many people don't observe themselves. So the balance will come to you once you become your own observer. And being your own observer is the biggest, like it brings you to enlightenment. When you can become the observer without judging yourself, oh my gosh, the bliss you will feel and the balance you will get from it. You will understand that your soul is here. Your body is equally as important, but your body and your mind is here to give you the duality, the extremes. And when you come to balance with the duality and those extremes, the polarity. So the law, one of the laws in the universe is the law of polarity, and that's the 10th law. So I'm just looking at this piece here. So the 10th law is the law of polarity. When you understand that all of this, the 3 and the 6, all life is, all it's doing is it's giving you this pendulum. It's giving you this action. This pendulum is always going to swing, right? Like it's always, you're going to experience the bad, you're going to experience the good. How do you react in those experiences? What's your vibration in those experiences? And that's the second part of this. And the other thing is, you can't erase the pain. You cannot erase. So let's say the body is experiencing the pain. If you erase the pain, the happiness will go too. This world works on duality. That is what we're here to experience. So one will not, you cannot just ignore one. Your vibration will stay low then. You won't come to your balance. So, once you come to the balance and your vibration will begin to increase. So at first, you can't be happy or too sad. It's a weird feeling, but you come to this like vibration of I'm okay. That's what it feels like. It feels like presence, awareness, observation, and you know what? I'm actually okay right now in this moment. Right now, I'm okay. That's what the balance feels like. So once you get to the balance, then, and that vibration of like, kind of a nothingness, once you get to that vibration, then everything just kind of starts exploding open. That's what happened to me. So when I say exploding open, like I mean your chakras, the energy, the surges of energy that you get within your body, just it's like the butterflies that people talk about, right? Like things start opening up quick. So once your vibration, that is the increase in vibration. So once you begin to, that increase in your own body, in your own vibration, then you can start talking to your own mind. So once your body and your mind are in sync and your body begins to feel good, that ego will always try and kick in. You begin to recognize the ego. So when the ego starts getting negative on you, you're like, shut the fuck, no, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm happy right now, leave me alone, go away. And your ego begins to go away, whimpers, and it just walks away. That's what begins to happen. So that elevates your vibration even more. Now, when you're in this vibrational state, you're in the vortex, and you begin to activate the law of attraction. Now, to continue the momentum of this, what you want to do is you want to use Gaia's energy, Mother Nature's energy. So how does everything grow in this world? How does Mother Nature work? Sacred geometry. What do I mean? If you look inside a rose, how is it growing? If you look at a flower, how does Mother Nature work? She works in a clockwise motion. So once you begin to attract or use the 12 laws of the universe, and you begin to increase your vibration, and you're in the vortex, and what way do you think the vortex works? Clockwise. Okay, so once you are in the vortex, what I do, I draw. This is why drawing, art, being creative, imagine, visualize, all of this is so important. So what I will do is I will just begin to draw clockwise. I will just begin to draw, and I will feel and visualize already having what I want. If it's peace I want, oh my God, I feel so peaceful, and I will just continue drawing. Now this becomes an energy imprint. And often I will cut this out and I will put it on my board that I have so I see it all the time. So remember, clockwise, if you look at your fingerprints, what way are they going? Clockwise. So these are just a couple of examples. I have so many more. I'll make more. If you guys enjoyed it, I'll make more vlogs like this, but these are just a couple of examples to give you to really manifest and get into the vibration. Utilize the law of polarity, come to a balance, utilize the law of vibration, get into that vortex, start killing your ego a little bit, and then you can utilize the clockwise motion of Mother Nature and begin to attract whatever. This is very powerful, very, very powerful. Use numerology. And next time I'll explain to you why the soul is number 9, why the body is number 3, and why the mind is number 6. Actually, I'm gonna do it next in the next vlog. Love you guys, bye.